know that before I also had an issue with a, I guess a gas cap problem. And yeah, I actually had to take my car to dealership because I didn't tighten my gas cap all the way. Seems about logical, right? Lost my car for a full day, but got a nice little 335 rental. This is circa like 2011 though. So now to the 2011 335D, seems rather interesting. I don't know about you, but if you've driven one of these cars or even just a 335, you know these cars are pretty torquey and pretty freaking comfortable. If I don't say so myself. I mean, who doesn't love California, a BMW, sunroof, and a nice breeze? Don't worry, I'll wait. Yeah, so about that. It's one of those. Like, I've had a lot of cars in my time, and I'd like to always try to have my next vehicle be the best. I'm not saying it has to cost more, it has to have more horsepower. It's just, it has to fit that void in my heart as an enthusiast, or just, you know, somebody that loves cars or loves the sport. Like, I love the passion. I don't know what you really want to call it, but I can't really call it that, but I love it. I love everything about cars, everything mechanically about it, the community. You know, we all have those we don't like or we dislike, but just understand that as a community, like, you teach those that don't understand and so forth, you know? You don't let them fall by the wayside and judge them. So I've been there too, so I can't say I haven't been. I would be a hypocrite to say I haven't been there. But I have been there, but it's great to be here. And the price for this car, it was rather reasonable with it being 2019 and all, but 84,000 miles. If you hear that, most if you would think that that's a lot of mileage. Now, if you know BMW or you know anything about diesels, 84,000 miles is like driving the car off the lot brand new. And that fast maneuver is me saving my phone so I can follow directions to help my boy with his Mercedes. So, yeah, these things, man. Let me tell you, man. These things, they're torquey, man. Yeah, torquey, man. Torquey. So, what's next for this beast, or this grocery getter, is definitely getting the service engine light taken care of. And my passenger seat that has the safety belt latched, that's been going off. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably laughing right now. I'm like, this guy's a rookie. He didn't have to get the recall notice, or he's not used to it. You're correct. You are correct on that note. I did not get the memo. Excuse me. But yeah, I get it. You probably say, oh, that means you're bullshitting. No. Literally the day I got the car, the guy was test driving. He was in the passenger seat. I had the car shipped down from LA from CarMax there down to San Diego, and he was in the passenger seat, and my boy Jeff on the beat was in the back, and we drove around. My friend was with me before we were getting in the car, and as soon as he got out of the car, I noticed that there was a certain ding, ding, ding over my music. I mean, me thinking normally like, my safety belt, and of course, that's the first thing I check in the car. That's all I'm saying. And there's nobody in the passenger seat, so if Castro would have kindly got out, I probably would have had the button go off. Like, it would stop, right? Wrong. It's still there. So I'm getting some type of emissions codes, and I know everybody else right now is probably, you need to check the ABCs. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. But because it did happen while in the dealership's hands, before I got the car, and it came on the night I had the car, it's under warranty. This is a good thing. Insert witty caption here on having 9 lives to cat. But I know you guessed it. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm kind of interested in what rental car I'm gonna get. You know why? Because not having a 335D, it would be a little bit sad. I'm not gonna lie. It's like your high school sweetheart and you finally marry her. That's what the 335D is summed up to be. It's like she knows everything that you love. She knows what you dislike. She knows the best food you love at lunch. She knows those little cookies that you like with the chocolate on the side. She knows just how you like those pancakes. She knows just the right way to rub you in the morning. She knows everything about you. Caters to you. And you just show that love back by treating her with respect. Maintenance on time, proactive maintenance, preventive maintenance. You get what I'm saying? But if you never felt the love like that, maybe you should. Boy, I could say from Mustang to Shelby to Mustang to Mustang to Mustang to BMW to Dodge Durango to you know, a Dodge Ram to Challenger Hellcat, you know, but mostly everybody saw the Mustangs and they don't get it. But anyone else that knows, there also was another BMW in there. I wouldn't insert the picture, possibly I will, depends on how lazy I'm feeling. But yes, so it's been kind of a wild ride, but I'm great to be back here in this seat. Like I say, from the Shelby to this, there's a big difference power-wise. But I can tell you, once again, it's a 4-door, so I gotta respect the fact it's a 4-door. But it doesn't really feel like a 4-door. And it's completely stopped. That's the best part about it. Or is it?